This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking your Xbox is updated and the USB port is clean. This avoids hiccups. Once done, pick a USB 3.0 or higher drive with at least 256 GB for reliable performance, and make sure power is adequate if the drive needs external power. Plug the drive into a rear USB port. The console should detect it. You'll see a prompt to format for games or media. Choose based on whether you're storing games or personal files. You'll navigate to Settings, then System, then Storage to configure the drive. This is where you tell the Xbox how to use it. Select the connected external drive and choose Format for games and apps if you want to run games from it, because that optimizes file layout and lock features. If you only want media, choose Keep. Name the drive clearly, then set it as the default install location if you'd like new games to go there automatically, which saves manual moves later. You can move games by opening My Games and Apps, highlighting a title, and choosing Manage Game to move or copy to the external drive. This keeps progress and settings intact. Make sure to eject the drive safely from settings, devices, and connections before unplugging to prevent corruption. If the drive isn't recognized, update the console firmware, try a different USB port or cable. And as a last resort, reformat the drive on the Xbox. Reformatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.